What's up, Psycho High? It's Thursday. I'm your host, Jackson, and you're watching the Spartan Minute. Are you interested in photography or want to learn how to use a camera? Photo Adventure Club will be having their first meeting today in room B211 from 3:15 to 3:30 to plan their first trip. Key Club meetings will begin this Friday at 7:45 in the auditorium. Can't make it? No worries. Check out what's going on using Google Classroom with code FFKJ5X7. Do you like looking at the stars or learning about space? The Astronomy Club will be having their first meeting today in B220 at 3:20. If you have any questions, please see Mr. Alley. The first pep assembly this year will be tomorrow during stretch. Come and support our fall sports teams and watch our dance and cheer teams perform. Go to your stretch or attendance before going to the gym. Thanks for joining me here today on the Spartan Minute. All the news and announcements you need in just 60 seconds.